Okay, another muffler patch job coming up. So this part was on the ground when I started the car today. It just fell right off. You can see where I had put some of that bandage stuff. It wore through, it fell, and then back here on the back side of it, where I used one of those soup cans. Yeah, the soup can's kind of gone at this point, but the angle iron's working quite well, so I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna have to fix that, and I'm gonna have to fix that up there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some sandpaper. I got some of this, there was a piece of belt sander paper that was replaced on the shop. So I just ripped off some pieces and got some threads. So I'm gonna sand that off because I'm gonna then use the high heat epoxy from JB Weld. This stuff is, you know, rather magical. We'll see how it works here today. Okay, so this is something that I found in the trash here because there is some renovations going on with one of the buildings, so this is part of a HVAC system. What I'm going to do is, I know it's a patch job, it's a gamble, but I'm going to cut, I don't know, about 6-7 inches here, make a column, slice it down the middle, and then I'm going to use that to bridge the gap right there. I'll use that with the high temperature epoxy. What I might do is I might put this one on there first, get a nice close seal, and then I'll put that one on there with like another layer, and then I'll just get a bunch of clamps, clamp the whole thing up. So I'll use, you know, a bunch of these clamps, and then I'll throw down one of those, keep it in place. So I spent about 20 bucks on material, so we'll see if it works. Okay, I got a piece of that HVAC coiling cut, and I covered it with muffler pasty sealant stuff. So now I'm going to put it on top of that tin can down there and add the clips. Okay, there's the HVAC coiled around the muffler pipe, and I got a bunch of braces on there holding it in place. You'll notice, you know, not the greatest seal, so what I'm going to do towards the end there is I'm actually going to use some of this red bandaging stuff and try to see if I can't make that a little more airtight. Okay, here's the first spot. So I've got that high heat JB Weld epoxy underneath the wrap there, the aluminum wrap, and then I put a bracket on the little brace on the outside. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go with one of these guys, fit with some of those to retrofit it up there. Alright, janky exhaust system lives to fight another day. So there's the that's the heat back coil that I found, wound up nice and tight, and put another brace back there. I don't know if you can see it, but see how long that lasts. Okay, I don't know if it's easy to see, but for the final touches I decided to use a high heat resistant paint and painted my entire exhaust. So hopefully that'll help prevent rust from taking over. And here's a shot of the bed pipe. So now my exhaust system is, I think, doing a-okay. So got the one patch back there that I did a while ago, and that's the one recently.